So good morning students, how are you? So I hope you are fine and enjoying your study, okay? So we are taking now revision class, okay? So in this, today we are discussing about what composition of food, okay? So anything we everyday eating, okay, by our choice, by our doctor suggestion and by our nutritionist, and it's according to our age, health and our economic power and so on, okay. So what's including in that? So today discussing about what composition of food, है ना? So composition of food, suppose we taking what rice, wheat and breads, okay. So rice or wheat, okay. So every day, suppose we taken what rice and wheat. So rice and wheat, so mean nutrients or compositions of that. So rice contain mainly what carbohydrates, okay, are its energy giving. So near about 70% of carbohydrate content in rice or wheat, okay. Next portion of that proteins. So it contain 10%. Now proteins contain in 10% in the rice. Next fats. So fats is very less amount or trace. Very negligible amounts of fats contained in rice. So we are discussing about what compositions of food, and any food containing the different constituents in their percentage wise proportion, okay. So taking another example, pulses, okay. Pulses means जो भी दाल जो होती है ना, so pulses, any pulses, so it contain mainly what proteins, okay. Pulses contain mainly what proteins. So near about 60% of protein is provided by the pulses, and 20% of what carbohydrates. So these are the what percentage wise constitutions of different nutrients in the food items, okay. So next, suppose we eating what meal, drinking the milk. So main constituent of milk is that milk is only 3% of the each things are contained here, okay. इसमें क्या होता है कि प्रोटीन भी 3% होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी 3% होता है और फैट जो है वो भी 3% के लगभग होता है, okay. So these are compositions of foods. So here our books there is given what the different charts, okay. So now taking about what balanced diet, okay. So balanced diets. So in previously we seen that the major constituents or ingredients of our food is that carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral, water and roughage. So these are main ingredients of our food, okay. So balanced diet, okay. Someone says that you have to take balanced diet for your proper growth, your body functioning, for your health, okay. So we not eating only and only one items of our foods, okay. क्या आप सिर्फ चावल के चावल खाते क्या नहीं है ना. So with the rice we adding some quantity of what dal, sabji, salads and different ingredients of the foods, okay. And these are providing different nutrient to us, okay. In इन सब चीजों से क्या मिलता है कि अलग अलग अपने को न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं. वी टेकिंग आर इंजेक्टिंग different nutrients. Okay, so previously we seen that these are the energy rich, body building and body protecting, and these are supplementary in nature for our proper functionings of different organs. Okay, so balanced diet, it's not sufficient that our food contain all the nutrients. Okay, so our body require balanced quantity of the different nutrients, that is proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. for its proper growth and maintenance. So suppose deficiency of the deficiency of the anyone leads to our body towards the any kinds of disease or any ailments. Okay, so makes a prone to disease. Suppose in the pandemic times there is what very much require the vitamin C, है ना, and immunity boosting foods. So the people are adding the different salads and citrus fruits in our dinner and lunch. Okay, so a diet containing, it's a definition of balanced diet, a diet containing all the nutrients in their proper quantities is known as the balanced diet. Okay, what is the balanced diet? A diet containing all the nutrient in their proper quantities is known as the balanced diet. Okay, तो balanced diet वो है कि जिसमें सारे के सारे न्यूट्रिएंट जो होते हैं उनके प्रॉपर क्वांटिटीज में अवेल होते हैं. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. ओके, सो इन अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट, सो व्हाट आर द कंटेन इन द बैलेंस्ड डाइट? दैट इज एनर्जी गिविंग. ओके, एनर्जी गिविंग. नेक्स्ट बॉडी बिल्डिंग, है ना, बॉडी बिल्डिंग, एनर्जी गिविंग, body building and protective. So balanced diet contain energy giving, body building and protective foods. Okay, so these are contained in the balanced diet. Okay, so the balanced diets of the different child and different age groups have different constituents. Okay, suppose any child which having the balanced diet containing that 2 cup of cooked cereals, okay, है ना, different constituent, half cup of cooked pulses, 2 cups of meal, small quantity of cooked green leafy vegetables and seasonal fruits. Okay, so these are contained, but a balanced diet varying from age, health and occupation. So you know that एक सिटिंग जॉब करने वाला और एक लेबर का काम करने वाला, तो किसका डाइट बहुत ज्यादा होगा? The person is doing the job of laborer. Okay, जो मिट्टी फेंकने का काम करता है या लोडिंग एंड अपलोडिंग का काम करता है. ओके, बट एक सिटिंग जॉब वाला जो है, अगर एक ऑफिस में अगर कंटिन्यूअसली सेडेटरी जॉब कर रहा है, सो उसका यानी एक कितना होगा डाइट, क्या होगा? इट्स लेस कंपेयर टू लेबरर्स. ओके, सो बैलेंस डाइट इज वेरिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एज, हेल्थ एंड ऑक्यूपेशंस. ओके, so laborer doing manual work, okay, and it needs more carbohydrates. Okay, तो एक मिट्टी फेंकने वाला जो मजदूर है उसको क्या लगेगा? बहुत ज्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स लगेंगे. ओके, एंड फैट्स इन हिज डाइट्स which would provide him more energy. Okay, तो लेबरर जो है it require what? More carbohydrates and more fats for providing energy to them. Okay, and a young child needs to take more proteins, है ना. जब तो suppose, so you know that numbers of protein powders, okay, but again is that very much controversy that now the recent one Olympics games are done, okay. So in that you know that the Neeraj Chopra is getting what gold medal, Mirabai Chanu, okay, Lavlina Borgovin, okay, and again PV Sindhu. So these are what hard workers, and they eating only what their simple food and not taking the any kinds of energy boosting powders and so on, okay, है ना. आपने बहुत सारी ऐसी controversial चीजें देखी होंगी. So the young person is requiring more proteins to them for what? Proteins required for the body growth, okay. So proteins required for the body growth. Next, effect of cooking on nutrients. So you seen at your home or at your kitchen, okay, some foods will taken with the cooked form, some in the raw form, and some is just only what steamed and boiled, okay. So what is the effect of cooking on the nutrient? Some food will be enriching their vitamins and their nutrients, and some of what wastage in their nutrients and so on. Suppose vitamin C, it's what vitamin D and vitamin C are the water soluble. If we washing continuously the any vegetables or any fruit, so all the vitamins get decreased with the water, okay. Suppose rice are boiled in water, okay, and it taking what more quantity of water to boil, okay. So in case we adding the more quantity of water in that, so boiled water will get eliminated, okay, from the cooked rice, okay. So with that all the nutrients are getting away from that food, okay, or that rice. Again, number of fruits are overcooking, it spoil their vitamins, okay. So these are adverse effects on the cooking, okay. So selecting and eating the right kinds of food is not enough, okay. So you know that what kinds of food we are eating, it's very much necessary, okay. It should be cooked properly, है ना. और उसको क्या करना है, प्रॉपरली कुक करना है. एंड कुकिंग इंप्रूव द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड एंड मेक्स इट इजी टू डाइजेस्टिबल, है ना. कुकिंग से क्या होता है कि जो फूड है इट्स मेकिंग टेस्टी एंड डाइजेस्टिबल. सपोज अगर आपने कच्चे चावल खा लिए, सो इट्स व्हाट हार्मफुल टू अस, इट गिविंग पेन इन आवर स्टमक, ओके, एंड दे आर नॉट डाइजेस्टेबल. बट इन केस वी यूजिंग व्हाट steamed or cooked rice, so it is easy to digest, okay. So at the same time cooking results in the get easily destroyed their vitamins and so on, okay. So it is therefore advised to include fruits and raw vegetables, so that's why the nutritionist suggesting us to adding the raw vegetables and fruits in our diet, okay. So in case of rice, it is a common practice to use excess water during the cooking and then throw off the extra water. So this results in the loss of nutrients. तो क्या होगा कि उसमें जो विटामिन्स B12 जो थायमिन कंटेंट जो होता है, so it will get through with the what extra water, okay. So certain pre-cooking practices also bring about loss of nutrients, okay. So and in case some of the peels, okay, some peels on the what vegetables and fruits, it's also eliminating and destroying their vitamins and minerals, okay. And repeated washing is also leads to the destroying their nutrients, okay. So in this way we are losing the vitamins, minerals and proteins and so on. Okay. So these are about effects of cooking on nutrients. So in the next class is taking about what basic food groups and so on. Okay. So enjoy your study. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.